Much, much better. Hey guys, today is day 52. Okay, so let's see what we have today. Altar and index card. Alrighty, I will gather some stuff and I'll be right back. I pulled out 3 index cards because I usually create in 3s or more. I have 2 blank ones and this one is a starter index card. And then I pulled out some scraps from my scrap bin. I've got these paper strips here and this one here. And while I was looking through, I found this and I really liked it, so I pulled it out and I found this, which has a bird die cut and wings, and I thought, maybe I'll use that. And then I have this paper. I'm going to take a index card and I'm just going to glue these scraps on here and go from there. I'm going to take some paint. I pulled out the Sea Breeze by Americana and I just want to put a little bit on this one here, which may lead into me putting it on to these 2. Go along these white areas and any place that looks like it needs something, I'm just going to put paint. Alrighty, I want a little bit of spa blue on here now. No big surprise. Alright, I have no idea why I want to do this. I just know that I do, so I'm going to do it. If I don't like it, I will cover it up. But I pulled out Apple Barrel Yellow, and I also pulled out Americana Pineapple, and I pulled out Black Plum Americana. And I've got my makeup sponge, and I'm going to use this little die cut negative space. And I'm going to use this stencil. It's a Balzer Design stencil. It's called Mini Leaf Frame. And I want to put this stencil on here, like so, and then I want to put my bird in here about right there. So let me see if I can hold this without moving it. There. Okay, that's where I want my bird, right there. And I'm going to start with this dark yellow, although this looks cute. If I just outlined that right there, that would look cute. Okay, I'm changing my plan. I'm not going to use the yellow, but I'm going to take this little die cut negative and I'm going to cut closer to the edge here and make it smaller. That's what I have now. And I'm going to put it back on my little card here, and I kind of marked the area where I needed it to be, the pencil, before I took it up. And I'm going to take some washi tape and I'm going to tape it down because I don't want it to peel up or move. And washi tape is easy to get back up, so that's why I'm using washi tape instead of some other kind of tape. Okay, let's see what it looks like. I had too much paint on my sponge and it smeared. I may go over it with white. I think I will go over it with another color, but in a different area, so that areas that are showing here are covered. Okay, I really hate this. So it's rare that I hate something, but I really hate this. So I took washi tape and I covered the inside of the bird so that I could preserve the inside. And I'm just gonna paint the rest of this over. Let's just see what we can do with this thing. Oh, much better. Much better. Okay, I want to use one of the wings and give the bird a wing. And I think I'm going to use this book text that I used the other day in a project. I know I got a fussy cut, but sometimes you just have to take one for the team, and I'm going to have to take one today. I'm just going to trace it out with my pencil. So I'm just going to glue it down. All right, the wing is on, and now I have my Jerry's Artorama Jumbo Jet Sepia pencil. I just thought I'd go around the bird. And I think I do want to use my black Stabilo. What I'm doing now is I'm taking my paintbrush and I'm dabbing it in water, and I'm going to spread around my Stabilo all wherever I put the marks on. I'm just going to write with my Sharpie poster paint pen, and this is the one that's flaking out on me, so it might smudge, like it might drop a bunch of liquid out on me, and I'm just going to see if I like it or not. Oh, I love that. I think I'm going to say this is done, because I don't know if I want to do more later or not. I think I'm just going to call this done. I don't think I'll use this stencil anymore, because I didn't love what I did with the last go around. So let's see what we want to do with these. Okay, for this one, I'm going to take my bird little stencil thing here, and I'm going to trace around it again. And I'm either going to color in the bird or I'm going to color the outside area. I haven't decided that. And on this one, I'm going to use this and I'm going to glue it down on my page here. And then I will probably make feathers like I did with the bird here, and add them here and on this one too. I went ahead and cut out 2 wings, and I've already glued them on. I'm going to go around the wing and the bird over here and add little legs. And the legs, you saw me just draw straight lines. I'm not going to add feet and all that stuff. It's like they're standing in grass or standing off the page. Okay guys, I added the eyes and the little legs and all the little things I told you I was going to add, and I did my writing already. I think I just ran out of juice today, honestly, so I'm sorry I didn't do the very ending with you. You saw it in the first card. Here's where we're going to stop, because who knows what we'll do to these later. Okay? All right, I will see you tomorrow for prompt 53. Bye-bye.